One of my subscribers asked about the emotions that go into an effective sales letter or sales message, video sales letter, whatever. So I do want to talk about emotional copywriting here. First off, the question was just like, how can I identify emotions to use in writing a good sales letter? And it's from Kay. So here's the thing. Any buying decision is really based on an emotional journey. It is based on an emotional journey of from the hell of having your problem unsolved, unsolvable, feeling like you'll never solve that problem, to the heaven of the problem solved in the perfect way, and you got the results that you wanted, and you had this positive experience of getting the exact outcome you desired. So it's this movement from hell to heaven, and so you shouldn't just think of copywriting as a single emotion, like, or I need the one emotion to convert for this sales letter, right? You think of it as, my prospect is this person who's facing this challenge, or in my high velocity copywriting, I teach that there are three fundamental types of big ideas. One is urgent problem. One is a 10x opportunity. And one is an imminent prediction, which is going to lead to either a problem or an opportunity. So let's focus on the problem and opportunity. So the negative that the person starts with, the prospect starts with, is this idea of like this urgent problem that I don't have a solution to. So it's frustrating that I don't have this solution to this problem, and imagining what it's like imagining the worst case scenario if I never solve this problem, or if this problem just is too much for me to handle. Right? So that's the negative situation that your prospect is in right now. Or if it's an opportunity, it's I see this massive opportunity, but I don't have the capacity to take advantage of it. I don't have what I need to step up to experience the benefits of this opportunity. And so it could be something like entrepreneurship, right? When you think about the opportunity, like, go off, be my own boss, make as much money as I want, have all the freedom in the world. Awesome. Like, entrepreneurship is great. It's an incredible opportunity for me, but what if I don't know where to start? Like, what if I can't figure it out? What if I try something and it fails? What if, like, all of that negativity, how can you encapsulate that in the before state of this unfulfilled opportunity or unsolved problem? Again, problem, opportunity. And then zoom forward into the future, let's say 3 years, 1 year, 3 years, something. And the person's looking back on this moment where they made this decision to solve the problem with you, or to take advantage of the opportunity as you present it to them. And not only did it go well, it went better than they expected. Not only did they get the results that they wanted, they got better results than they hoped for. Not only did they create the outcome that they desired, but you helped them create that and then some. And not just like in their, let's say it's a business thing, their professional life, not just did that change, but their personal life changed as well. Like, what are all the positive experiences of that? And then how do you encapsulate that positivity? And then the story of your marketing, the story of your sales letter, the story of your of whatever outline that you have of what you're going to say in your selling message is that journey. It's that journey from the problem unsolved to the problem solved better than I hoped, the opportunity unfulfilled to the opportunity fulfilled and then some. And when you think about it that way, and you think about like the before state and the after state, the transition, the transformation that your prospect goes through as a result of your product, your service, whatever it is that you're offering in your selling message, then you're thinking about the right emotions. And how succinctly can you capture that? How tightly, how concisely can you capture that in a single selling message, in the stories that you are using, in the promises that you are making? How can you capture that in a clear, compelling, believable way? Like that's what goes into the emotional arc of great copywriting. That's how you identify the emotions that you use in writing a good sales letter is you put yourself in the prospect's mind. You put yourself in their perspective and you say, what's life like if this problem doesn't get solved? What's life like if life goes on like it is right now and I never seize the opportunity in front of me? And then what is life like if I do solve this problem in like faster, easier, cheaper, like in a more incredible way than I could even imagine? What is life like if I take advantage of this opportunity in a way that is more powerful than I ever hoped for? And put yourself in the prospect's mind and find those feelings and try to encapsulate them in essence, in an image, in a word, in an emotion. And when you find that, now you're dealing with power. That's my experience, at least. Now, I do actually have training called Emotional Direct Response Copywriting that goes even deeper into this and talks about the universal negative emotions and some universal positive emotions and how those can, how you can tap into those with your marketing, with your copywriting. And so you can check out the link in the description to that, also to High Velocity Copywriting. You actually get both with a BTMS Insiders membership, which you can learn more about, again, at the links in the description. Do you have thoughts about this? Do you have experience? Do you have any other tips that you use to get yourself into the right emotional state or to capture the right emotions in your marketing, in your copywriting? Leave a comment below and let me know. Share with the other people who are watching this video. Also, make sure you click that like button so you get more content like this delivered to you. Also, so that the magical algorithms of the internet will share it with more people like you who will get value out of it. If you know somebody specifically who would get value out of this, copywriters, other marketers, and so on, you can share it with them directly. And make sure you're subscribed. If you're not yet, you can subscribe here. You can also go to breakthroughmarketingsecrets.com to get my daily emails Monday through Friday with videos and articles covering copywriting, marketing, direct response, business building, entrepreneurship, and more. Again, my name is Roy Furr. This is a video issue of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. I hope you've gotten some value out of it. I hope you've gotten a lot of value out of this. And I look forward to seeing you again in our next video issue. I will see you soon. Bye.